In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer subscribers from Mailerlite to Kit.com. First, open your Mailerlite dashboard. From here, head to the subscribers area. This is where all of your contacts live, along with their statuses, fields, and any groups or segments you've set up. Look for the Actions menu within subscribers. We're going to export your list so Kit can import it cleanly. Choose Export CSV. A CSV is a simple spreadsheet file that most email tools understand. When the export is ready, click Download and save the file somewhere easy to find, like your desktop. Before moving on, it's a good idea to quickly open the file to confirm it includes the columns you expect, especially email, first name, last name, and any custom fields you rely on. If you don't need every column, don't delete anything yet. Kit can ignore unmapped fields during import. Now switch over to kit.com and sign into your account. From the dashboard, go to the Grow section, then choose Subscribers. This is the hub for managing your audience inside Kit. Click Import CSV to begin bringing in the file you just downloaded. Choose a file to upload and pick your Mailerlite CSV. You'll be asked to set up Kit fields by mapping your CSV columns to the correct fields in Kit. Match email to email. It's the key field that identifies each subscriber. Then map any other columns you want to keep, such as names, tags, or custom attributes. If a field doesn't exist yet in Kit, you can usually create a custom field right here. Leave any columns you don't need unmapped. They won't be imported. When your mapping looks right, click Next to review. Take a moment to double-check the summary so you avoid surprises, like importing unsubscribed contacts or test addresses. If you maintain separate consent statuses in Mailerlite, make sure those are reflected in the mapped field so you stay compliant with your email policies. Go ahead and click Start Import. Kit will process the file and handle the heavy lifting. Large lists can take a little while, so feel free to let it run. When you see the confirmation, click Got it to finish up. Your subscribers will now appear in Kit under Subscribers, ready for segmentation, automations, and broadcasts. That's the full transfer from Mailerlite to Kit without any data wrangling headaches. If this was helpful, follow along for more quick, clear walkthroughs just like this one.